Hey guys, here's how to use the Look Around feature on Apple Maps and iOS 13. Let's select this address here and hit Look Around. From here we get a first-person view of our location. You'll see that it even shows the names of cross streets as you approach them. Let's jump ahead and double tap to move. And here we are at another cross street. So notice on the bottom here it tells us where we're at, and it'll also show us landmarks that we're near. So now it's letting us know that we are in Golden Gate Park. It's a really great and helpful way to kind of check out where you're going, or maybe see some places you haven't been to in a long time. The gestures are really easy. Just slide your finger across the screen and double tap where you want to go. Resolution is really clear and it loads extremely quick. When you're all set, just hit the two arrows or hit done. It's as easy as that.